Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68. Hope everybody's doing well. A little while back I did a video on an 83 CS80 that I got from my good friend Paul Springett, lock that I've been trying to get in my collection for a long time. And sure enough, my good friend John Waldron contacted me. He says, I gotta have that lock for my desk. It's quite an expensive paperweight, and the only guy I knew who could make it happen was Paul. So here it is, brand new, as I said in the video, from the package of Paul. I was not going to touch it until I was able to do it out of package, so we're going to do that now. With permission from Mr. Waldron. I guess he wants it blessed. Look at the size of this beast. Unbelievable. It's got the oval in it. Just a beast. Absolute beast. So, let's see if I can get it picked and get this thing prepared and sent over to my good friend in Floyd County, Virginia. See if we can get it this way. So here we go. This one's for you, Jan. That back a little bit, so I can just pick right to the back. Okay, that was 3. Everything is springy. We got a binder here up front. Number 2. I'm gonna switch picks here for a second. Okay, we got a bit of a fold set there. Number 4. A little bit of counter rotation. The lock is starting to slip out of my hands. Okay, let's come back up here. Okay. Let's see what we got here. 1, Better be safe than sorry. I'm gonna readjust my position on this lock. Okay, counter rotation on 5. Okay, let's come back up. 1, 2. Okay, I'm caught up in a pretty deep fault set here. I think it's something with that back pin. I have to go in with this guy here. And there we go. The beast is open. What a lock. John, you're going to enjoy this lock. Just going to gut that for you as I promised. It's hung up on pin number 6, so I haven't seen the key, which, you know, is always fun. So we'll have a look at that and see. There might have been a bit of there's that massive screw, massive plate, as we've seen before. Beautiful, brand new oval. Get that ring out. Keeps the oval in its position. This thing is just freshly greased. Let's get a screwdriver happening here. Lock that up. I said to Jan, I said, well, you picked an interesting lock. He says, I gotta have it. And I said, well, it took me forever to get one. And now you will be the proud owner. Pull that off, pull that off. Let's have a look now. We'll get our key in the bottom there. get that in there. Okay, we'll turn that a little bit. Be okay. And run that through the garden. Beautiful 6-pinner. Come on. There we go. Everything had to be picked. Let's have a look. Okay. Got, we should see standards across the board for the key pins. Kept bouncing out of some serious false sets, so got these beautiful spools in here, the Aussie sharp spools. Those are the locks you like to play with. They give you a little bit of a dance for you. Okay, let's have a look here. We should have okay, we've got that lightly serrated in position 1. Beautiful copper spring. And then we've got spool, spool, spool. Yeah, I was saying, I was referring to the Aussie spools. These are not the Aussie spools because this is an ABUS with the oval core in it. So just to be to correct myself there, I guess I have Mr. Springett in mind when I said that. So there we go. Still some beautiful spools, and this will be sitting on the desk of my good buddy Jan Waldron, aka Floyd Detectorist, out of Floyd, Virginia. One of the elite metal detectors. If you don't know who he is, get over there and give him some support. So there you go, guys. Picked and gutted at my friend's request. Just beautiful. It's got the ABUS oval in it. Very hard to get in Canada and the US. And the closed shackle, of course. That's what we're talking about here. I've got a few of the other ones with the non-closed shackle. And last but not least, let's have a look at this key. What do we have to put up with here? Okay, yeah, not bad. Well, it's interesting because it was the gatekeeper was sitting at position 5, which was getting me in and out of that fault set. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Patience, practice, perseverance. Appreciate everybody's support. Stay well, and we'll see you guys at the next one. Jan, we know what's next. Stay well, my friend.